Good morning. Good morning, children. Every one of you. Good morning. We'll wait for 2 minutes, bacho, because let everyone get added. Okay. Good morning, every one of you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's start, children. What do you say? Yeah. I think today every one of you listen very carefully. I think so because the much like happening nothing that is nothing but virus. So today's our lesson is all about virus. Yeah, Sanskar, very good morning. So COVID virus chal raha hai na abhi. So now we are discussing about what virus. If you take virus, yeah, it will be excited. To be frank, then excitement it is like little pathetic. One virus, it is making us to sit at home and making us to not doing anything. That is very pathetic actually. Chalo, let us see when this pandemic will go. Now, virus, if you take this actually virus name है ना, it was given by Pasteur. पता है ना बच्चों, आपको लुइस पैस्चर पता है ना? लुइस पैस्चर very 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 important scientist actually. If he is not there तो rabies vaccine won't be there. If he is not there though, first traditional fermentation was done by Louis Pasteur only. You're understanding it or not? Official. So earlier our grandmothers grandfathers used to do it, but official authentic fermentation was done by Louis Pasteur only. According to him, virus is called as, yeah, very good. According to that, virus, it is actually derived from Latin word. It's actually a Latin word, it's not an English word. If you speak like that, most of our biology terms are not English. I think I many times I told you, I exactly don't remember. अरे यार, टू बी फ्रैंक, हमारा बायोलॉजी इटसेल्फ इज नॉट अ इंग्लिश वर्ड. आपको पता है ना, बायोलॉजी इटसेल्फ इज नॉट एन इंग्लिश वर्ड. इट इज एक्चुअली derived from Greek. You're understanding it, whatever it may be. So it is actually derived from what? Latin, which actually virus actually means it is nothing but poisonous fluid, which is also called as venom or secretion. Now tell me bachcho, virus is a word derived from dash language. Which language is this virus word? It is taken from Latin. And what is the actual meaning of this virus? Virus actual uska asli meaning kya hai? What is the actual? It is a poison, that means toxin. Usko bolte hain hum toxin or venom. Okay, where this word was actually given by whom? The actual person who gave this name is Louis Pasteur. Okay, now virus is actually can be defined as their ultra microscopic. सर माइक्रोस्कोपिक तो मुझे पता है सर, यूनिना टोटल हम सबको पता है. माइक्रोस्कोपिक मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. सर अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोपिक क्या है? They are even more small, which you can never ever be able to see with your naked eye. And it's not modified micro. No, 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 Sakshi. No. Ultra microscopic matlab very, very, very minute to be frank, which you can't be able to see with your eyes. Understand? For example, COVID vaccine, COVID virus. See, it is spreading like anything. Can you see this COVID virus, bachcho? बारामती में यू आर टेलिंग को कोरोना वायरस इज स्प्रेडिंग लाइक एनीथिंग, ऐसा कुछ तो बोल रहे हैं ना. शो मी ये कोरोना वायरस पार्टिकल मुझे लेके मुझे दिखाओ. कैन यू एबल टू शो इट? सो अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोपिक मतलब यू कांट बी एबल टू सी देम विथ योर आईज. So such a very, very minute things are called as ultra microscopic. And infectious, sir, what is infectious matlab kya hai? See, virus, it is causing infection. Understanding it? See, COVID virus is there. Okay, that is causing what? Corona. Understanding it? Whereas it is obligate intercellular parasite. What is the meaning of obligate intercellular parasite, bachcho? 100% they continue their life only if they enter into the cell of the host. Understand? Sir, we can see red and green color spherical shape. Where you can be able to see, Sakshi? Kidhar? Pictures, pictures will be magnified, na? But I am talking about with your naked eye. Just when you are seeing, ऐसा आप दिख रहा है ना? Can you be able to see? No, no, see that because they're ultra microscopic. Yeah, you can't. What happened? 1 second, bachcho. Just 1 second. It is proven that I am very strong. Yesterday I had vaccine, and along with me, whoever had vaccine, all of them they got fever and they are sleeping at home, and I am the only one who is taking class. Understanding it? So your biology teacher is very strong. Okay. I'm just joking, okay, but it is true. Right now I got the phone call. Sir, are you okay? And no, I'm okay. And what happened? We all got fever. Sir. I'm not Bahubali. I'm not Bahubali of botany. Okay. I am not a botany teacher. Many times I told you. I'm not a botany teacher. I'm basically a zoology teacher. But हमारा campus में option नहीं है. So we don't have any option. That's why I have taken this botany. See, zoology पढ़ने के लिए there are 3 faculties, but botany पढ़ने के लिए एक ही faculty है. Okay. Now, चलो. Now, virus, it is ultra microscopic. That means these are such an organisms where you can't be able to see them. Basically, without microscope to see the virus, it is impossible. So they are ultra microscopic and they're infectious. What is the meaning of infectious? They are causing certain diseases actually. Okay, for example, it's a much happening thing. COVID, it is causing what? Coronavirus, it is causing what? COVID positive. That means it causes some diseases. Whereas obligate intracellular parasites, they must be enter into the host cell. Then only they can be able to survive. If they don't enter into the cell, they can't be able to what? Survive. Understanding it? And which are composed of nucleoproteins. Sir, what is the meaning of nucleoproteins? Either DNA or RNA. These are called as nucleoproteins. Both DNA also RNA. Dono we will call it as dono. DNA also will be called as nucleoprotein. No, RNA is also called as what? Nucleoproteins. Dono you can call. Understanding it? Now tell me, bachcho, virus. First word. What is the first word to use virus definition? What is the first word? Tell me. The very first word is Ultra micro. What is the meaning of ultra microscopic? What does it mean? Ultra microscopic means what? Can't be seen with your naked eye. Very minute. Sir, can't be seen with naked eye. Sir, बहुत बड़ा हो. Okay. It is very small. Okay, at least you can write very small now. Next one, infectious. What is the meaning of infectious, bachcho? Infectious means what? Causing certain diseases to the host. Now, third one, obligate intracellular parasite. What is the meaning of obligate intracellular parasite, bachcho? Obligate intracellular parasite matlab they require host cell, otherwise they cannot be able to show their existence. Now they are made up of nucleoproteins. What is the meaning of nucleoproteins, bachcho? What is the meaning of nucleoproteins? Either DNA or you can both. Basically DNA, RNA, both are nucleoproteins only. So whatever it is. So viruses are ultramicroscopic, infectious, and obligate intracellular parasites, which are made up of either DNA or RNA. That means, sir, DNA RNA क्यों लिखना है? Directly write nucleoproteins. That's all your wish. See, for example, you can't write nucleoproteins. You write DNA or RNA. No, sir, I want to write nucleoproteins. You write. इसमें मेरा problem क्या है? I don't have any issues. मुझे आंसर चाहिए. Okay, आंसर का presentation I don't care. Now, and studying about virus, it is called as virology. So the branch of biology that is dealing with the studying about virus is called as what? Virology. Understood, children? Whereas before we go to the next point, let us इधर तक एक track लेता है. इधर तक any doubts are there, बच्चों? Till here, any confusions, queries, वगैरह कुछ है क्या? No. If you don't have any problem, can I ask only 2-3 questions in these 3 points? Okay.
Sir, please once again explain second point.
Second point is they are ultra microscopic. That means they are very minute. You can never be able to see virus without using microscope. So they are ultra microscopic. And infectious, that means they cause us. Sakshi, doubt hai to you please ask. No problem na. Doubt hai to you please ask. Okay. Now infectious matlab it causes some diseases to the host. Whereas yeah, there are some useful virus. Yeah, the useful virus matlab but actually by default there is no useful virus, bachcho. But human with his intelligence, he has some intelligence na? We are using them as useful, but basically by default, by nature, they are not useful. The virus don't have any use. Understanding it? So, and obligate intracellular parasite matlab they have to live within the host cell. Intracellular, बच्चों ये ऐसा ही मत पढ़ो. You break it. Intra means what? Within. Cellular means what? Cell. So intracellular means what? Within the host cell. So obligate intracellular parasites. Now you understood. Many students are asking. Actually, Gaurav asked, Ishita asked, and Avishkar asked. At least now you clear बच्चों. Intra, you आप ऐसा मत पढ़ो बच्चों. You break it into 2 pieces. Intra means within, inside. The what else? Cellular means what? Host cell मतलब which is giving shelter. For example, very easily I'll tell you. मान लो it should not happen. मान लो मुझे कोरोना आया. That means COVID-19 virus entered into my body. So I am the host. You understand it? Host matlab which is giving shelter to the virus is called as host. And Sakshi Beti, never you give like question marks to any other because I am very jovial. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But some teachers take it very personal. Okay. उसको गुस्सा आता है. Okay. उसको मतलब it's obvious. Ask doubt, but like question marks रखना it's not हमारा manners नहीं है actually. Okay, it's not, it don't suit us. Okay. हाँ no, it's okay, but इतना क्वेश्चन मार्क्स पूछना that some people why to take the name, आपको समझ में आएगा. Some teachers, they take it little personally. Okay, चलो, it's not our topic, it's not manners learning classes, it is biology class, so छोड़ दो. Now let us take at least now you understood बच्चों in obligate interest, और एक बार बोलो, और you understood. You understood बच्चों? पक्का ना? 100% ना? Hope you are not lying. Okay. Now and nucleoproteins. बच्चों nucleoproteins मतलब you write DNA or you write RNA, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, because nucleoproteins मतलब both will come ना, DNA also will come and RNA also will come. Okay. So this is the meaning of the second point. Okay. और एक बार बोलना है और समझ में आया. और एक बार बोलूं और सर ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, कॉन्फिडेंटली वी अंडरस्टूड. क्लियर है? वेरी नाइस. इफ इट इज क्लियर देन यू हैव टू आंसर माय क्वेश्चंस. ओनली 2-3 क्वेश्चन, ज्यादा आई डोंट आस्क, ओनली 2-3 क्वेश्चंस आई आस्क. ओके ओके. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टर्म वायरोलॉजी? वायरोलॉजी मींस व्हाट? आपको वायरोलॉजी वर्ड में आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, the branch of biology that is dealing with the study of the virus is called as virology. Understanding it? Now, why virus are called as obligate intracellular parasites? क्यों? आप तो बोल रहे हो, but क्यों बोल रहे हो? Actually, why are you calling? Why are you calling virus as intracellular parasites? Yes, they can live only in the host cell. They can't live without the host cell. Now, what is the actual meaning? वायरस आप तो बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ द वायरस क्या है? What is the exact meaning of the virus? The literal meaning of the virus is poisonous fluid. That means venom. Okay. And who gave? आप तो you are calling virus, but this word was given by whom? This is the word which is actually given by Louis Pasteur. Okay, from where he got this word? This word he gave. Very good, I accept it. But from where he got this word? Latin. Okay. Now let us go for the other points. Another 3 points we will take it. Can anyone read it? If you read बच्चों, I'll give you 10 5-star chocolates. No, not 5-star मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. 10 Dairy Milk chocolates I'll give. Challenge. It's not challenge. I don't want to challenge. Okay. Can anyone on the mic? If you read, I'll give you 10 Dairy Milk chocolates.
Ivanovsky.
Ivanovsky. What is that? Sir, हम chocolate नहीं खाते. Okay, I'll give you cookies. Okay, nice. What is it? Coconut cookies or butter cookies I'll give. Okay, Ivanovsky. But who gave it? Who spelled it? But 95% she reached. Who is that, bachcho? Now who spoke? Regia. Nice. So मैं आपको you reached only 90% now, so I'll give you only 9 chocolates. Okay, 10 chocolates I don't give. Okay, so it is Ivanovsky. Okay, Ivanov, because W is also there na. Ivanovsky nahi, it is Ovsky. Ivanovsky. Now you read it bachcho. Ivanovsky, because W is there na. If for example W is not there to Ivanovsky, but W is clearly there, that's why you have to call it as Ivanovsky. Okay, sir, very good sir. वो क्या किया? Very good, you told Ivanovsky. But वो आदमी, वो बंदा क्या किया? He's actually a Russian botanist. What he did, he's the first one discovered that virus are infectious. Now tell me बच्चों, who is the first scientist to tell that virus a बहुत बड़ा drama artist है, ये बहुत बड़ा villain है, and who told that? Who confirmed that this virus is a villain? Ivanovsky. Okay.
Ivanovsky.
And yes, beta. Ivanovsky. And he is the first person who identified the virus for the first time. virus was first of all given, the existence of the virus was first of all noticed by whom bachcho? This Ivanovsky only, understanding it. And he found that, please understand मैं क्या बोल रहा है अच्छा से सुनो, otherwise आपको थोड़ा नहीं ज्यादा दिक्कत आएगा. What he did, you know, very very simple, very simple thing he has given. Now he has taken one tobacco plant which is infected by virus. बच्चों, what is it? Tell me. He has taken one tobacco plant, बच्चों, which is suffering from virus infection. Now he has taken the juice, he has taken that रस होता है ना, when you crush this particular vertical leaves of this tobacco, आपको रस मिलेगा ना, that रस he has taken. Okay, and he started spreading on healthy tobacco plants, and all these healthy tobacco plants are getting the same virus infection. And then he demonstrated that virus infected organisms, they can spread their virus to the healthy persons also. सर एक एग्जांपल बोलिए, हमको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. मान लो if you get cold it is caused due to, पता है ना? I think नहीं, I need not to think, I'm sure that you know. वायरस, विच वायरस इज कॉजिंग कोल्ड बच्चों? आपका सर्दी आता है ना, ऐसा करते हैं ना, यस, राइनो वायरस. बच्चों एक आदमी को दैट आएगा तो उसको 2-3 फ्रेंड्स को भी आएगा विद इन 2-3 days, बिकॉज वायरस यूजुअली इट स्प्रेड्स फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन. It makes from infected, it travels from infected person to other infected person. Now you understood बच्चों? ये बना उसको बारे में समझ में ना. Now tell me, who first of all identified, the virus? Ivanovsky. And he proved what? Okay, he identified virus. That's excellent, that's very good. Okay, what he proved out of the virus? What he proved? Yes, the infectious, but yes, he demonstrated the infectious nature. How he demonstrated the infectious nature, bachcho? Yes, he demonstrated, that's very nice. But how he demonstrated? By taking the juice, by taking the rust of the infectious tobacco plant, and he started spreading to the what do you call, the normal tobacco plants, and they also got the viral infection. Okay bachcho. Now the next one, can anyone read what is this? सर लेसन नाम पे आप गाली दे रहे, अरे मैं क्यों ऐसा करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं. ओके, can anyone read this? Called as Beijing. Who is that bachcho? Beijing. Now tell me, last point, a virus infected tobacco plant he has taken. What he has taken? Virus infected tobacco plant he has taken, and from the virus infected tobacco plant he took the juice and he started spraying on the healthy tobacco plants. That's it. All the healthy tobacco plants also got the virus disease. Understanding it? This is called as, so this is experiment done by Ivanovsky. Okay, is this clear, Fish? Yes. Okay, now let us take Beijing. Sir, Beijing क्या किया? Beijing, he repeated the same, that means Ivanovsky उन्होंने क्या क्या किया ना, same thing he repeated again. Okay, and he called the word, he called it as contagium vivum fluidum. Now tell me बच्चों, Beijing क्या किया? Beijing कुछ भी नया नहीं किया बच्चों. He did not do anything new. Then what he did बच्चों? Beijing, he did not do anything new. Then what he did? He repeated the same experiment of what? He repeated the same experiment of what? He did the same experiment of Ivanovsky. Understanding it? And he called it as contagium vivum fluidum. Sir, what does it mean? Okay, you told contagium vivum fluidum. That's fantastic. What does it mean? It means, it is actually a Latin word. Now, when you convert it to English word, it is called as infectious fluid. It is called as what, bachcho? Now you tell me, who is the first scientist to notice or declare that virus as infectious fluid? Who called virus as infectious fluid? No. Beijing. Understanding it? Demonstrates the infectious nature. I think you are getting confused. The infectious nature was identified by what? Ivanovsky. Whereas the infectious fluid naam diya Bejering. So hope, I think I cleared your confusion. Okay, and the word which was given by Louis Pasteur, that virus, and it was first officially used by the name virus. It was first of all officially used by whom, bachcho? Now Bejering. Bejering is actually the person who what do you call, used officially what virus word. Okay, now the next scientist, his name is Stanley. What is that, bachcho? His name is what? Stanley. Now Stanley first isolated a virus called as tobacco mosaic virus. Sir, what is the meaning of TMV? It is tobacco mosaic. T matlab tobacco, M matlab mosaic, and V matlab virus. Now tell me, bachcho, what is the full form of TMV virus? What is the full form of TMV? TMV means what? Tobacco mosaic virus. Understand it? And for the first time, very first time, the tobacco mosaic virus, it was isolated in crystalline form. Crystalline matlab सूजी जैसा बच्चों, crystals, नमक crystals, sugar crystals, like that crystalline form में crystals. बच्चों crystals आपको पता है ना? Crystalline form में Stanley is the first scientist to identify or isolate TMV virus. Understanding it? And he got even Nobel Prize also for his work. Now tell me, for the first time, who isolated the virus and which virus he isolated? First time, who isolated the virus in crystalline form? Stanley. And isolated virus is nothing but TMV. TMV means what? Tobacco mosaic virus. Now, बच्चों ये slide में any doubts are there? Any doubts you please ask. You ask any doubt. No doubt. Are you sure? Okay. Now the next one, nature of the virus. Bachcho, here very important thing you need to understand. Very important thing. Sir, itna what does W and M stands for? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Please explain second and third points. Please second and third point. Second and third point matlab which point? This is second and this is second and third. Okay. Infectious nature. Infectious nature matlab it causes infection, and that statement was given by what? Ivanovsky. Whereas it uska naam infectious fluid naam diya by what? Bejering. Understood? Avishkar? It spreads from one healthy to another one unhealthy to another unhealthy person, and that is the nature. And name infectious fluid. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Full name I don't know. If you want, I'll definitely find it out. If you want, I'll definitely find it out. If you want, but there is no need. But sir, I wanted to know, then I'll find it out. Any textbook of निकलेगा तो वो answer मिलेगा. It's not a rocket science का question. Okay. I have so many textbooks. Okay, but I'm looking for Gaurav. What second point, third point you want me to explain? He did not tell abhi tak. I'm waiting for his question only. What do you mean by second? Which second point? Which third point? Okay, let him. He will post his question in the group. I'll answer. No problem. Now, let us take a nature of the virus. Bachcho, basically, you have to understand. Virus is a type of organism. क्या बोलते हैं ना इंग्लिश में, क्या बोलना हिंदी में क्या बोलना है ना आपको समझ में आने के लिए, उसको बोलते हैं शाणे. सच में सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं? सच में आई डोंट हेजिटेट टू डिस्क्राइब वायरस एज Shane. Bejering, he told that, Array, Bejering, he did not do anything new. Basically, Bejering, he did not do anything new. Whatever Ivanovsky did, everything he did is same. That means I can say he repeated the same experiment. And after he repeating the same experiment, he called the virus as infectious fluid, which, but actually infectious fluid name it was not given by Bejering. He gave the name called as contagium vivum fluidum. When you translate it to English, then it is translated as infectious fluid. And first officially the virus name was used by Bejering. Okay, Gaurav, is this okay? First, officially, the virus name was used by this, what do you call, Bejering. Okay. Now, nature of virus. बच्चों, I can say, virus is I can आपको भाषा में, if you want me to tell, it's a shane. Understand it, sir? Why are you calling it as shane? I'll tell you. I have one friend. His name is Manohar. He's also a teacher. Okay. But just for your understanding, I'm telling you. For example, we all go to canteen. Then he will order for 55 rupees pastry. Understanding it? But that means we all go to canteen. Basically, we are all going to canteen. Na? When we all go to the canteen, he will order for pizza, which is of around 350 rupees, and he will order for burger, and it will cost around 220 230 rupees, and he will order what sandwiches, which cost approximately 120 150 rupees. But sir, why are you telling all these things? I am telling, I want to tell you something by this example. It is actually not example, it is really happened. Yeah, I'm telling, I'm sharing one of the incident happened in my life. Okay, so now Manohar is a worst fellow. Understanding it? He used to order like this. When he used to go अकेले कैंटीन ना, 5 रुपए में टाइगर बिस्किट पैकेट मिलता है. कितना लोगों को पता है बच्चों? 5 रुपए में टाइगर बिस्किट पैकेट आते हैं, है ना? he will take that 5 rupees tiger biscuit packet and 10 rupees chai, and he will dip it and he will eat it. That means how dead shane he is. Understand? That means, sir, you told this example, sir, ये example आप बोला मतलब कुछ तो है, उसको आंतर्य क्या है? I'll tell you. Virus is also same exactly like Manohar only. That means when it is present outside the host, it becomes inactive, and it is exactly compared to non-living object only. That means it don't becomes active only, and you have to consider the virus is a non-living. But when it enters into our body, it utilizes hamara cell as its own cell, and it becomes active and reproduce. That means kitna shane dekho. Say for example, some guest will come. Understand it? आपको घर में some guest will come. Understand it? And they will even dominate you. For example, your father will bring what मेरा बेटे के लिए आज मैं 5 star chocolate लेके जाएगा, and he brought this 5 star, and that kids of that particular guest will take. That means ये आपको समझ में ना? That means they enters into our body and they causes diseases to our body. But when it is present outside, it becomes metabolically inactive. That means it is showing non-living organism, non-living object ka properties when it is outside the host body. It shows the living organism properties when it entered into the host cell. बच्चों understanding it? That's why it is called as intermediate between non-living and living organisms. बच्चों क्वेश्चन समझ में, पॉइंट समझ में ना? सच में बोलना है. Please don't hesitate to ask any question. Now tell me why virus it is called. Okay, yes, you understood. You told yes matlab you understood na? Then मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. Let me see who will explain. Why virus is called as the intermediate between non-living objects and living organisms? Tell me. You understand? So you have to tell. Because yes, it becomes only active inside the host. Okay, whereas when it is outside the host cell, that means when it is present outside the environment, it is like a non-living object only. Have a pen, have a pencil, have a table, like that the virus. Okay, okay, bacho. Now, yes, nice answer. Everyone gave the nice. Not only Saurabh, even Arya, Sakshi, everyone gave the perfect answer. Nice. Okay, that's why it is called as intermediate. Very good, sir. What are the characteristics of non-living? You told virus when it is present outside the body, it shows non-living characters. So then what are the non-living characters? They don't have the proper cell. Sir, my doubt. You ask any doubt. I am ready to. Any doubt you can ask. Till what time it will be alive? Till it get host. Till it get host, it will be non-living only. बच्चों एक चीज याद रखा, virus it becomes active only when it get host. When it don't get host, it won't be living. That's it. याद रख. It's like universal fact. It's like universal fact. No, you, me, or no one can be able to change it. It's called universal fact. Okay. Okay. Sanskar, is it okay? I'm waiting for your reply. Yeah. In another sense, it is immortal. Yeah. In one sense, it is immortal. Okay. चलो let us take virus का non-living properties क्या है. First of all, it don't have cell. First of all, virus don't have the cell. Understanding it. Whereas it don't show any metabolism also. Metabolism मतलब what? Many. और कितना बार बोलो बच्चों में? और metabolism मतलब many times I told. So this time you have to answer बच्चों. Because मैं कितना बार बोलूं metabolism. Metabolism मतलब yes, the living chemical reactions, and it don't show any respiration when it is present outside the host, and it show high specific gravity. Okay, it show high specific. That means it will be more volatile. It will be spreading wherever it wanted to go. It will go. Understanding it? Only active only when it is present inside the host cell, and when it is not present in the host cell, it don't show any. It don't show any living reactions. Okay, and virus. Living properties, though it don't have cell, but it is having a proper shape. Yes, it is not having cell, but still it is showing कुछ ना कुछ तो shape तो होता है, कुछ ना कुछ कोई तो shape तो होता है. Understanding it? And they consisting of DNA and RNA, and they are intracellular obligate parasites and attract specific host, and they show property of mutation. That means the change in the genetic material, it is called as mutation, and can grow inside the host and multiply in a great number. Understanding? So these are the living properties. So one way non-living properties it is showing, and the other way living properties also it is showing. Understood बच्चों? चिल्ड्रन समझ में है ना आपको? Repeat property shortly. Non-living properties, proper cell नहीं है, no metabolism and respiration, high specific gravity, volatile. It is showing a volatile matlab frequent changing things. Okay बच्चों, at least now you understood. Frequently changing. Okay, now, and it is active only when the host cell is available. Non-living properties. Living properties, though it is not having complete cell, it shows some space, some shape. कुछ ना कुछ shape तो होता है, and genetic material is present, and they can show intracellular parasitism. Okay, and mutations के लिए respond होता है, and can grow rapidly and multiply rapidly in the host. So these are the properties of the living and also non-living properties of the virus. Okay, who asked me to, for whom I am repeating? Kalpesh के लिए I repeated it. कल्पेश बेटा समझ में ना, और एक बार बोलो मैं. Clear. Very nice. Now the next one, what is the next one? Shape, I think so. Yeah, shape. Yeah, I told correct only. Shape बच्चों, yeah, unnecessary time waste. You don't read it. Okay, no one will ask actually. Okay, many shapes are there. Some are spherical, some are oval, some are brick shaped, some are tadpole shaped. Oh, bapre, so many shapes are there. But all the shapes I can't, no need to read. Na? That's why few shapes I brought. Straight, rigid rod-like structure. Understanding it? That is TMV virus. Okay, and barley stripe mosaic virus. So these are all names of virus. And tadpole shape, bacteriophage. And spherical. Tadpole shape matlab frog. Yeah, yes, exactly beta. Sakshi beti. Exactly, you are perfectly correct. Whereas spherical, influenza virus. Okay, and even size also. and it ranges a long range. That means so many sizes may it will be there, and it ranges from 10 mu microns to 250 mu microns. And the smallest virus is nothing but mouth and foot virus, whereas largest virus is nothing but smallpox virus, which is also called as variola virus. Okay, bachcho? And this is very, very important. But shape is not important. No one will ask you, bachcho. Shape up mat pado. Okay, ek bar pado and chhod do. No one will ask. But size you have to remember. This two, both are important. Both are important only. Now tell me, bachcho, which one is the smallest virus? Smallest virus is what? What is the smallest virus? Oh, smallest beta. Foot and mouth virus. And largest virus is smallpox virus. That means which is called as variola virus. बोलते हैं ना, variola causes smallpox. Okay. Corona will be spherical. Yeah, it is spherical. Corona is spherical only. Corona is spherical. Okay, बच्चों. Now the next one. स्मॉलपॉक्स वायरस कैसा होता है? स्मॉलपॉक्स वायरस कैसा होता है मतलब, no, hypothetical question, understanding it will be spherical virus and it causes smallpox disease. Smallpox is a disease beta. आपको चिकन पॉक्स पता है ना बच्चे? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो चिकन पॉक्स? है ना? that same symptoms it is caused by smallpox also. Smallpox के लिए same symptoms can be seen. Same symptoms. Smallpox, I can say it is whatever the symptoms that are caused by the chicken pox, the same symptoms can be seen in the smallpox virus also. Okay. Yes. Now, general structure of virus. That means virus का outline structure. Generally, virus structure क्या कैसा होता है? Basically, generally, the virus it is consisting of envelope, capsid, nucleoid, and some enzymes. Okay, bachcho, where enzymes can be seen only occasionally. Every virus you can't be able to see enzymes. Only few virus like AIDS virus, like chickenpox virus, they only consisting of enzymes. All the virus you can't be able to see enzymes. Okay, bachcho. Now, general structure of virus में what is the first part बच्चों? Envelope. मान लो this is envelope. मान लो example के लिए this is envelope. This envelope it is the outermost covering of the fungus, covering of the virus, where this particular envelope it is made up of proteins, small protein subunits called as peplomers. Now tell me bachcho, now tell me what is the first part of the virus? What is the first part of the virus bachcho? First part of the virus is envelope, and envelope it is made up of small virus subunits, and each and every virus subunit it is called protein subunit it is called as what? Each and every protein subunit it is called as peplomer. Understanding it? Okay. Envelope it can be seen mainly in the animal virus, and it is very rarely present in the plant virus. That means many animal virus they consisting of envelope, whereas plant virus may the envelope is absent, and the virus which is not having envelope it is called as a naked. Now tell me bachcho, what do you mean by naked virus? Naked virus matlab kya hai? And give me one example. What do you mean by naked virus? And give an example. The virus which is not having envelope is called as a naked virus. An example bachcho. Example plant virus. Example is what? Plant virus. Okay, children? Envelope, many doubts are there. Potato yellow dwarf. Matlab, it is a virus which is causing potato yellow dwarf disease. Potato yellow dwarf is a disease, beta. It is a disease. It is a disease. Okay. Bachcho, envelope, many doubts. Please ask bachcho. Please, if you ask, then only मुझे पता चलेगा. And if you don't ask, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? Any doubts? Envelope में? No doubt. Okay. Are you sure? Now, if you don't have doubt, I have some doubts. Can I ask? मुझे कोई doubts है. टेल मी, एनवेलप इट इज मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल प्रोटीन यूनिट्स, उसका नाम क्या है? एनवेलप इट इज मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल प्रोटीन यूनिट्स. व्हाट आर द नेम, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट स्मॉल यूनिट्स? पेप्लोमस. मान लो, मान लो, मान लो इन विच वायरस में दिस एनवेलप इज एब्सेंट, इन विच वायरसेस में यूजुअली द एनवेलप इज एब्सेंट? प्लांट वायरसेस में. एंड इफ द, मान लो इफ वायरस डोंट हैव द एनवेलप, एंड उसका नाम क्या बोलता है? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट? Yes, naked virus. Now second part is nothing but what? Capsid. बच्चे capsid मतलब just below the envelope. बच्चों what is that? Just below the envelope it is a protein layer, protein coat. That means मान लो this is envelope, and envelope का just below that you can be able to say a protein layer. Understanding it? And this protein layer it covers this. मान लो center में you can be able to say genetic material है ना, this genetic material, and also enzymes cover करने के लिए एक protein layer will be there, and that protein layer it is called as capsid, which is just present below the envelope. Envelope ऐसा है तो just below that you can be able to see the capsid, and it is also made up of small protein subunits. They are called as capsomeres. Now tell me बच्चों, what do you mean by capsomeres? No, not visible बेटा. साक्षी बेटे, no, it's not visible. Even envelope है, envelope नहीं है, कुछ भी होने दो, they are maya. Understanding it? You can't be able to see. Understanding it? You can't be able to see. Okay? Now capsid is made up of small protein subunits called dash. Capsid is made up of small subunits, small protein subunits called as dash. Gaurav, please explain one point again. Which one point? Which one point? Gaurav, last question also you asked the same way. बच्चों clearly you tell. मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? Capsomeres में he is asking something I am not getting. First point में envelope का first point है, envelope का first point है, capsid का first point है. Which first point मतलब क्या है बेटा? I think now we are taking capsid na, that's why he's asking capsid also. I think so. Capsid, by covering the genetic material of the virus, there will be a protein layer which is just present below the envelope, and this protein envelope which is present just below the envelope, that is called as capsid, which is made up of, okay, that you have to tell ना, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? Envelope का first point is, envelope is the outermost layer of the virus. Envelope is the outermost layer of the virus, which is made up of small protein subunits, and the small protein subunits called as peplomers. That's it. So easy. है ना बेटा? गौरव समझ में ना बेटा? और एक बार बोलूं मैं, समझ में ना? और एक बार बोलूं मैं? Understood. Very nice. Very good. Okay, बच्चों. Now capsid also it is made up of protein subunits, and they are called as capsomeres. And the last part it is nothing but nucleoid. बच्चों nucleoid मतलब the genetic material of the virus is called as a nucleoid. Tell me what is what बच्चों? The genetic material of the virus is called as what? Nucleoid. Understanding it? Whereas the infection coronavirus is na, that coronavirus mein the actual infection causing thing is nothing but nucleoid only. The envelope, they're just body covers only, but actually disease it is caused by whom bachcho? The disease is actually caused by what? DNA or RNA. मान लो the virus which is having DNA, that is called as a deoxyvira, and the virus which is having RNA, that is called as a ribovira. Now tell me bachcho, the virus which is having DNA as a genetic material is called as dash. Virus which is having DNA as genetic material is called dash. Yes. The virus which is having RNA as a genetic material is called as a dash. RNA. Yes, very good बच्चों. So this is a general structure of the virus. बच्चों general structure आपको समझ में है ना? चिल्ड्रन जनरल स्ट्रक्चर आपको समझ में ना? कैप्सिड का रिपीट बेटा, कैप्सिड just below the envelope. Envelope aisa hai, just below the envelope, you can be able to see the capsid. It is also made up of the protein layer and the protein subunits that are present in the capsid. It is called as capsomeres. Okay, Kalpesh beta, samajh mein na? It is also made up of protein subunits, and these protein subunits are called as capsomeres. Okay. Okay. Now, very nice. Now, some examples. Let us take some examples. Okay. And will you believe me or not? But I am telling you truth. All the examples of virus, minimum 3-4 points. Assembly of virus component A, point नहीं समझा मैंने आया मैंने आया. What is this? Assembly of viral component A, point नहीं. Assembly of virus. What is this assembly of virus? What is this? Where is it, बच्चों? Where is this assembly? Okay, assembles with बेटा वायरस है ना, न्यूक्लियोइड का फर्स्ट पॉइंट वायरस है ना, when it is attached to the host cell, that means when it is assemble means, for example, I am the host, मान लो this is virus, when it is assembled, that means when it come in contact with the host cell. Okay beta, when it come in contact with the virus cell, मान लो this is one virus, and when it touches me, when it come in contact with me, that is called as assemble. Okay. Nucleoid is the actual genetic material of the DNA of the virus. Nucleoid is the actual genetic material of the virus. Understanding it? And it is actually causes the infection in the host cell when it is come in contact with the host cell. Some virus consisting of DNA as a genetic material, they are called as a deoxyvira. Some virus are consisting of RNA as a genetic material, then they are called as a ribovira. समझ में ना बच्चों? Yeah, it settles. Yes, it gets settled in the cell. Actually, it gets settled in the cell. Okay. Sakshi beti samajh mein na? It really, literally, it gets settled in the cell. Yes, very good, very good. Now, examples. Bachcho, examples are very important, very, very important. Understanding very, very important. So, अच्छा से सुनो. The first example is tobacco mosaic virus. First example, okay, tobacco mosaic virus. It is actually identified by a Russian virologist, and this Russian virologist is nothing but whom? सबको पता है. TMV virus was identified by whom? सबको पता है. Who is this? Ivanovsky and Franklin et al. Okay, Franklin et al. What is that bachcho? Franklin et al. He gave the ultra microscopic structure of this particular virus. Now tell me, TME was identified by whom and structure was explained by whom? Identified by Ivanovsky, but structure was explained by Franklin et al. Airtel नहीं है, et al. Franklin et al. Okay, bachcho. And what is the structure of this tobacco virus? Tobacco mosaic virus. It is a rod shape. दिख रहे हैं ना बच्चों? कैसे दिख रहे हैं ना? Exactly, it is looking like a rod only ना? दिख रहे हैं ना आपको बच्चों? Okay, it is looking like a rod only ना? Whereas it is made up of the central core of RNA. देखो बच्चों, if you want, I'll draw it also. If you want, see the central core of RNA. So it is a ribovira. Now tell me bachcho, TMV virus is a dash vira. TMV is a dash vira. Yes, because RNA is a genetic material, and the RNA is only 6%. RNA is only 6%, and only single stranded RNA can be seen. एक ही strand of RNA can be seen. Understanding it? And it is coiled. It is not straight. RNA is not straight, बच्चों. It is coiled. Understanding it? And this RNA, it is covered by the capsid. Understanding it? And this capsid, it is of 94%, and this capsid, every tobacco mosaic virus, it consisting of 2130 capsomeres are present. Again, don't ask me capsomeres, bachcho, I will die. Just हाफ मिनट के बैक ओनली आई टोल्ड यू, हाफ मिनट भी पूरा नहीं हो बच्चों. व्हाट इज कैप्सोमियर? if you really understand you will answer. What is capsomer? Yes, capsid, it is made up of small protein subunits called as capsomeres. Now tell me, tobacco mosaic virus mein how many capsomeres are there? How many capsomeres? 2130. Okay bachcho. Now tell me, tobacco mosaic virus. Now let us ask 2-3 questions, only 2-3 questions, ज़्यादा नहीं, आपको लोड नहीं देता है मैं. Tobacco mosaic virus was identified by whom? Tobacco mosaic virus, it was the structure was described by whom? Was described by whom? Franklin et al. The tobacco mosaic virus has how many parts in its structure? How many parts in its structure? 6% of RNA and 94% of what? Capsid. Now tell me, 6% of dash, 6% of what? RNA and dash percentage of capsid, dash percentage of capsid 94. Understood bachcho? Now RNA, it is a dash. RNA, it is present how? It is present coiled, single stranded and coiled. RNA, it is present what? Single stranded and coiled. ऐसा helical shape में रहेगा. And covering this particular single and helical RNA, dash is present. Covering this particular single stranded helical RNA, dash is present. Capsid. And this capsid is made up of dash. How many number of capsomeres? How many number of capsomeres? 2130 capsomeres. बच्चों tobacco mosaic virus समझ में ना children? सच बोलना है. You have to tell me truth. Sir, why you are insisting so much? बच्चों, this question is asked many times बच्चों. See when I'm telling more times, that means you should understand that it is very important for your NEET, and diagram is important, information is important. Okay, now second example bachcho, we'll take second example. Second example is bacteriophage. Bachcho, bacteriophage, what is the meaning of bacteriophage? Can anyone tell? Of course, if you don't tell, I am here na, at least you no need to worry. But can anyone tell? Let me see how many of you tell what is the meaning of bacteriophage. The virus which causes diseases to even bacteria. Virus which causes diseases to bacteria, and that is called as bacteriophage. Now you tell me. Now at least you tell me. What is the meaning of bacteriophage? The virus which causes diseases to bacteria is called as what? Bacteriophage. Virus which cause diseases to bacteria is called as bacteriophage. Such bacteriophage can be richly seen in Ganga water. बच्चों, really Ganga water is richest source of bacteriophage. समझ में आपको? Now उसका शेप टैडपोल जैसे दिखता है. टैडपोल पता है ना, फ्रॉग टैडपोल जैसे दिखता है. एंड उसका बॉडी इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हेड, हेक्सागोनल हेड, and neck and tail consisting of 6 tail plates. Yes. How many tail plates bachcho? 6 tail plates. Okay, the first one, head. Okay bachcho, if you take head, the head is hexagonal. दिख रहे हैं ना बच्चों? दिख रहे हैं ना आपको? हेड देख कैसे दिख रहे हैं? हेक्सागोनल. एंड हेक्सागोनल हेड में you can be able to see what DNA. बच्चों समझ में ना? It consisting of a DNA. And this point अभी मत पढ़ो बच्चों, बहुत heavy point हो जाएगा. I will explain in your 12th class, because if you read it now, बाप रे, you don't understand and you keep on asking doubts. But whatever I explain you don't understand, because this is a point of 12th class. So आप है ना अभी मत पढ़ो, आपको है ना अभी आप छोटा है ना और थोड़ा बढ़ाओ, and मैं आपको explain करेगा this point. Okay, now if I tell this point you don't understand, why unnecessary to disturb your brain. Okay, छोड़ दो. Okay, now tell me बच्चों, bacteriophage is a dash virus. Bacteriophage is a dash virus. Bacteriophage is a dash virus. Yeah, bacteriophage is dash virus. Bacteriophage is, no one are answering. DNA is a genetic material, so it is a deoxyvirus. सो ये बोलने के लिए इतना सोच रहे हैं क्यों बेटा? नो प्रॉब्लम, इट्स ओके. सो नाउ बिकॉज इट कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ डीएनए एज अ जेनेटिक मटेरियल, इट इज कॉल्ड एज डीऑक्सीवायरस. नाउ डीएनए इट इज प्रेजेंट इन डैश. ओके, बैक्टीरियोफेज में डीएनए कौन सा पार्ट में डीएनए इज प्रेजेंट? कौन सा? हेड. हेड इज इन विच शेप? हेड इज इन विच शेप? Hexagonal. That means it consisting of what? 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagonal. And the DNA is covered by protein coat. See, देखो, it is a hexagonal protein coat and इसका अंदर DNA is present. And it consisting of cylindrical tail and it is halo. बच्चों halo मतलब पता है ना? बाहर शेप विल बी देयर, अंदर कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. halo cylinder. And it is made up of proteins. It is made up of what? Proteins. And this particular tail consisting of 6 tail fibers. देखो दिख रहे हैं ना आपको? 6 tail fibers. 6 tail fibers. With the help of the 6 tail fibers, it catches. मान लो I am the host. With the help of 6 tail fibers, it catches my body. That now tell me बच्चों, how the bacteriophage it catches the host body. इट पकड़ता है ना? कैसे पकड़ता है ना? कैसे पकड़ेगा बच्चों? इट कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ व्हाट? विद द हेल्प ऑफ डैश इट विल कैचेस by using what? 6 tail fibers. Okay, and it consisting of an enzyme called as a lysozyme enzyme. Understood बच्चों? So structure of bacteriophage समझ में ना? सच बोलना है please. If you don't understand, I am here, don't forget that. You ask me. If you really understand, tell me what is the shape of bacteria. Okay, you understood. Okay, I am very happy. No, it is not used. Basically, by default only बच्चों any virus don't have any use, but human intelligence का द्वारा we can use it. Okay, it can. बच्चों you remember ना, some virus they consisting of enzyme, and the type of enzyme that can be seen in bacteriophage is a lysozyme enzyme. That's it. और कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके बेटा. अनुजा बेटी समझ में ना? सम बैक्टीरिया सम वायरस हैज enzymes ना. The type of enzyme that can be seen in bacteriophage is a lysozyme enzyme. That's it. What is the use? Lysozyme enzyme का use क्या है ना? When it catches the host cell का एक पोर बनाते हैं. पोर मतलब बच्चों someone wanted to, some कीड़ा wanted to enter my head, then my head को एक होल लगाना है ना. दैट होल लगाने के लिए lysozyme enzyme is helpful. now मान लो this is cell. now virus wanted to enter into it, so virus अंदर जाने के लिए एक होल बनाता है ना. that hole it is done by lysozyme enzyme. it makes pore to enter into the it enters into the host cell. Okay, समझ में ना बेटा? Structure repeat shortly. Tadpole like structure consisting of hexagonal head. Inside it consisting of nucleoid, that means genetic material, and the genetic material is DNA, and it consisting of tail, and the tail consisting of 6 tail fibers with which it attaches to the host cell, and it also consisting of an enzyme called as a lysozyme enzyme, which helps in making the pore through which it enters into the host cell. That's it. कल्पेश बेटा समझ में ना? और एक बार बोलूं, you ask any times, you ask, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Okay, he understood. Okay children, now few more examples we will take. Some more examples we will take. Cyanophases. बच्चों cyanophases मतलब the bacteria sir habitat in Ganga water. In water बच्चों, in water. साक्षी बेटी in water, पानी में रहता है. It will be in waters. Yeah, aquatic. Nice. Now, cyanophases, the virus which causes diseases to or which attacks the blue-green algae, and the virus which causes or which attacks the blue-green algae, it is called as cyanophases, and it was identified by Sofferman and Morris. What is that, bachcho? Sofferman and Morris, and it is also DNA virus, and exactly uska structure bacteriophage जैसा ही होता है. Understanding it? And it attacks some blue-green algae like nostoc and also Anabina. Okay, and some attack Oscillatoria also. And the virus which attacks fungi, it is called as a mycophages. Okay, and the bacteria which attack, the virus which attack algae, it is called as phycophages. Understood bachcho? Now tell me, virus which attack blue green algae is called as dash. Virus which attack blue green algae is called as dash. Cyanophases. Now the virus which attack fungi is called as dash. Fungi is called as dash mycovirus. Okay, or mycophages. Now virus which attack algae, it is called as dash. Phycovirus. Okay बच्चों, or phycophases. So this is the examples of the virus. बच्चों examples of virus समझ में ना? Please tell me, सच बोलना है. समझ में आया? True ना? I believe ना? सर एग्जाम में जो भी क्वेश्चन आने दो, we will break the bones of that question सर. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आया आपको? Will you like confidently you can answer? आराम से हम आंसर करेंगे, कोई इश्यूज नहीं है, सब समझ में आया है ना? वेरी गुड. ना लाइफ साइकिल बच्चा, लाइफ साइकिल इज नॉट दैट इंपॉर्टेंट, इतना ध्यान मत दो. ओके इतना. सर प्लीज रिपीट द सेकंड एंड फिफ्थ पॉइंट. सेकंड एंड फिफ्थ, बाप रे, सेकंड अभी में काउंट करना है क्या? सेकंड एंड फिफ्थ. सेकंड मतलब इट वाज आइडेंटिफाइड बाय टू साइंटिस्ट. हिज नेम इज Sofferman and Morris, and they identified this particular cyanophases for the first time. And fifth point is cyanophases, they attack nostoc in the form of N1, and they attack anabina in the form of AN1. Okay, and it also attack oscillatoria. Okay beta Ishita? Okay, yes, nice. ओके लाइफ साइकिल बच्चों, लाइफ साइकिल इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं, इतना आप टेंशन मत लो एंड इतना मन खराब मत कर. ओके ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएगा लाइफ साइकिल के ऊपर. लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ द वायरस, it takes place in two ways. What are the two ways? One, lytic cycle and lysogenic cycle. lytic cycle मतलब प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड बच्चों. ना मान लो दिस इज वन बैक्टीरिया. बच्चों प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, मान लो दिस इज अ बैक्टीरिया. नाउ द बैक्टीरिया के लिए दिस वायरस विल अटैक. ओके एंड आफ्टर द वायरस अटैक, बच्चों अच्छे से सुनो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, कुछ डाउट्स है तो प्लीज आस्क. ओके मान लो दिस इज विच सेल बच्चों? बैक्टीरिया सेल. सो इट इज कॉल्ड होस्ट सेल. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट? वायरस. नाउ आफ्टर वायरस it attacks, what happens? It releases its genetic material into the bacterial cell, that means host cell. And by utilizing this particular host cell, this virus, it undergoes replication. बच्चों replication मतलब produces the बच्चों. Replication मतलब it produces its own बच्चों. After production of बच्चों, all these particular viruses, they comes out by bursting. That means bacteria है ना, it will burst that particular bacteria and they all come out. So if the virus, it is replicating inside the host cell and they are coming out from the host cell by bursting it, it is called as a lytic cycle. बच्चों समझ में है ना? बच्चों सच बोलना है, प्लीज टेल मी ट्रूथ. समझ में है ना? वायरस attaches to the host. Now tell me, if you really understand, tell me बच्चों, आपको सच में समझ में आएगा तो हाँ. पॉइंट नंबर 1, वायरस attaches to host cell. पॉइंट नंबर 1 समझ में है ना? पॉइंट नंबर 2, releases its genetic material into host cell. समझ में है ना? And third one, replicate into many virus and comes out by bursting the host cell. So these are the 4 steps. Now you tell me bachcho, what are the 4 steps of lytic cycle? Step number 1, attaches to bacterial cell. Step number 2, releases its DNA or RNA, releases its DNA into the host cell. Okay. Step number 3, replicate in many number. And step number 4, fought. Step number 4, burst and release all the virus out. Okay, this is called as a lytic. But what is the meaning of lytic? Lytic means what? Break down. So it is breaking down the host cell. That's why it is called as a lytic cycle. Now tell me, bachcho, what is the meaning of lytic cycle? Lysis means breakdown. It is actually Greek word. Greek words ऐसा ही होता है, थोड़ा अजीब अजीब होता है. Now tell me, this cycle it is called as a lytic cycle. Why it is called as a lytic cycle? Because it is breaking down the host cell. Now the next one, lysogenic cycle. बच्चों lysogenic cycle मतलब please understand, same, it attaches to the host cell. Now point number 1, it attaches to the host cell. Now point number 2, releases its genetic material into the host cell, but it replicate in the host cell along with the host cell. Step repeat. Step number 1, attachment to the host cell. Step number 2, releases its genetic material into the host cell. Step number 3, replicate in the host cell. Step number 4, it bursts the host cell and comes out from the host cell. समझ में ना कल्पेश बेटा? समझ में ना? Yes. Now, lysogenic cycle मतलब same. First two steps are same. What are the first two steps? Now, it attaches to the host cell and releases the genetic material into the host cell. And after releasing into the genetic material, into host cell, along with the host cell, it undergoes dividing. That means this is a host cell, na? Host cell ka साथ it will divide and produces two viral infected daughter cells. That means along with the host cell, it undergoes a duplication. Then that is called as a lysogenic cycle. बच्चों lysogenic cycle समझ में ना? Now tell me, lysogenic cycle में क्या हुआ? Attachment to the host cell, releasing of the DNA to the host cell, and replicating, dividing along with the host cell. Replicating along with the host cell. Not bursting. Along with the host cell, it will divide. Then that is called as what? Lysogenic. It divides along with the host cell. It do not burst. Lysis में, lytic में it will burst. Whereas lysogenic में it will duplicate along with the cell. Cell जैसे रहेगा, but it gets affected. समझ में ना children? Clear? सच में बच्चों, are you telling truth और आप झूठ बोल रहे? समझ में आया ना? लास्ट बच्चों हो गया हमारा लेसन खत्म. मैक्सिमम 2 मिनट्स सर में और इफ आई रिपीट मोर टाइम्स देन 4 मिनट्स. 4 मिनट्स में हमारा क्लास खत्म हो गया. टाइप्स ऑफ वायरस. ओके, सम वायरसेस आर देयर, उसका नाम क्या बोलते हैं? वायरॉइड्स. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? देयर आर सम वायरसेस कॉल्ड एज वायरॉइड्स. Understanding it? There are some viruses called as viroids, and this viroids was identified by Diner and Raymer. Now tell me बच्चों, virus it has many types. इसमें one virus का नाम क्या है? Viroids. And the other virus का नाम क्या है? Prions. Okay, now first of all we're discussing about viroids. बच्चों viroids, it was first of all identified by whom बच्चों? Diner and Raymer. What is it बच्चों? Diner and Raymer. And it causes potato spindle tuber disease in potato. Okay, and it is a RNA virus. It is what? Which virus बच्चों? RNA virus. And this viroid name, it was first of all given by what? Diner. Understood बच्चों? And nature, it is very very small and it is a RNA virus. Okay, and it is not covered, and uska shape, it is like a hairpin, and it is not covered by any capsid. Directly DNA only present. Okay, sorry, but directly RNA only present, like a hairpin. पता है ना बच्चों लोग है ना? आप लोग है ना साइड में ऐसा करता है ना, ऐसा कुछ तो करता है ना. अंडरस्टैंड? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? हेयरपिन. ऐसा करता है ना आप. ओके, and mechanical transition. Sir, what is the meaning of mechanical transition? By wind or water dwara it will transmit. Understanding it? And it causes so many diseases like Cadang disease, cucumber pile fruit disease, and chrysanthemum stunt disease. Like these are the diseases caused by the viroids. Okay, bachcho. Now tell me, viroids are identified by dash. Who identified virus, bachcho? Viroids. Viroids were identified by whom? Diner and Reimer. And name was given by alone. Name was given by alone Diner. Now, Reimer and Diner, they identified these viroids in where? Where they identified? The potato spindle tuber disease. In the potato plant who is suffering from the disease called as potato spindle tuber disease. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, viroid is a dash virus. It is a ribovirus because it is having what? RNA as a genetic material. Okay. And the RNA of the viroid, it looks like dash. The RNA of the viroid, it looks like dash. Hairpin. Okay, bachcho. Now, last one. Bachcha, I already told you na, maximum 1 or 2 minutes I am going to finish my lesson. Dekho ho gaya. The last one. The other type of virus is what I call prions. The other type of virus, it is called as prions, and it was explained. It was identified by Prusiner. Now tell me, who identified prions for the first time? Prusiner. Understanding it? And it is made up of only proteins. The genetic material is completely absent. Genetic material is, sir, you told, but आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आप what you are telling? Sir, DNA and RNA is absent. What you are telling? बच्चों, मैं सच बोल रहा, इसमें जोक नहीं है. Prions, they don't have their own genetic material. They utilize the host genetic material. That means when it attacks me, and my genetic material, it utilizes as its own genetic material. Really, बच्चों, इसमें there is no doubt. Okay. Now tell me, बच्चों, prions का specialty क्या है? What is the specialty of prions? What is the specialty of prions? No genetic material. It utilizes the host genetic material as its own genetic material. That is a specialty. Understanding it? And it causes some diseases like what else? Central, or causes some diseases like scrape disease, etc. Scrape disease, that means central nervous system disease. Okay, brain get damaged. Okay, these are the diseases that are caused by prions. Okay, bachcho. So this is all about your biological classification. Chapter 2 khatam. Next class onwards, chapter 3. Now you tell me, bachcho, who will explain the mycorrhiza? Do you think I forgot? मैं भूल जाएगा. Though I am Buddha, I never forget. Who will explain mycorrhiza? Kshitija cannot be able to explain because her health is not fine. So, can anyone tell? Mycorrhiza? See, no one are speaking. एक छोटा वर्क दिया and you are not answering. ऐसे कैसे चलते हैं बच्चों? और एक दिन टाइम दो मैं. चलो, और एक डे. ओहो, और एक डे मतलब पूरा एक वीक हो जाएगा. Last part is, it don't have its own genetic material. It utilizes the host genetic material as its own genetic material. Prions are not having its own genetic material. Okay, it utilizes the host genetic material as its own genetic material. Okay, Kalpesh. Sakshi, no, NEET syllabus change नहीं हुआ, NEET pattern बदल गया. बेटा, नीट सिलेबस चेंज नहीं हुआ, नीट का पैटर्न बदल हुआ. earlier चूजिंग नहीं है, that means कितना 90 क्वेश्चंस देते हैं, all the 90 क्वेश्चंस you have to answer. but अभी क्या है ना, they are giving 100 questions and then you have to answer 90 questions. that means 10 चूजिंग दिया आपको, they given chosen extra questions दिया, इतना है. earlier 90 questions दिया, 90 का 90 आप आंसर ही करना है. ऑप्शंस, यस, ऑप्शंस दिया. 10 एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस दिया. सर 10 ऐसा ही देता है? नो, ऐसा ही नहीं देते. जुओलॉजी में 5 एंड बॉटनी में 5. डोंट थिंक दैट ऑल द 10 आई कैन यूज माई सेल्फ. नो, इतना खुशी मत करो. I don't know. This information किसी का पास नहीं है. I think forever आई एम थिंकिंग फॉर एवर, बट उसके लिए आप वेट करना है. यस, जुआलजी में 35 प्लस 15 एंड जुआ बॉटनी में 35 एंड 15. ओके, या सेक्शंस होते हैं. जुआलजी एक सेक्शन में रहेगा, बॉटनी एक सेक्शन में रहेगा, फिजिक्स एक सेक्शन में रहेगा एंड केमिस्ट्री एक सेक्शन में रहेगा. Okay, children. Now let us take mycorrhiza, because you are not telling. I don't know why you are not telling. मैं करेगा. Don't worry. I see, but beta, you need not to worry ना. I am here ना. I will give you the mock papers. Okay. आप रफ पेपर्स में भेजते हैं आपको. I will give you mock papers. Okay. बट अभी क्या जरूर क्या है, अभी वी आर टेकिंग ओनली सेकंड चैप्टर. ओके, डोंट वरी अबाउट द पैटर्न्स एंड ऑल. व्हाई टू अर्ली आपके लिए, इट्स टू अर्ली फॉर यू. ओके, वेट, जस्ट वी आर रीडिंग ओनली सेकंड चैप्टर ना. सो पिक्चर और बाकी है मामा. ओके, मैं भूल गया, सॉरी यार, मैं बुढ़े हो गया ना. आई ग्रोन ओल्ड ना, भूल गया. चलो, मैं आज आई विल सेंड इट. ओके, आई विल सेंड इट. बट सी, मुझे प्लीज ट्राई टू रिमेंबर मी, बिकॉज मुझे याद नहीं रहेगा बच्चों. एक्चुअली आई एम इनटू मेनी क्लासेस ना, मेनी क्लासेस. सो कैसे याद कैसे रहेगा. सो प्लीज मुझे याद दिलवा दो. सर टुडे सेंड डीपीपी, सो देन आई विल सेंड इट. ओके, नाउ माइकोराइजा टाइम हो रही है, सो लेट अस प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट द टाइम. माइकोराइजा, माइकोराइजा मतलब द फंगाई विच मेक सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन विथ रूट्स ऑफ हायर प्लांट्स. That means बड़ा plant roots से they make symbiotic association. They are called as mycorrhiza. And mycorrhiza नाम दिया by Frank. Now tell me बच्चों, what is mycorrhiza and who gave the word mycorrhiza? Yeah, Sakshi beta, I'll tell. Please wait. Please wait. Now tell me, what is mycorrhiza and who gave the word mycorrhiza? Frank. And what is mycorrhiza? Fungi relationship with higher plants. And endomycorrhiza matlab the fungi which enters into the cell, which completely enters into the plant body. मान लो this is a plant. Plant का body का अंदर if the fungi it will go, then that is called as endomycorrhiza. Whereas mycorrhiza, it don't enter into the plant body, it only around the plant. That means this is a plant. Okay, it is present around the plant body. Only it present around, it don't enter into the body, then that is called as ectomycorrhiza. And ectomycorrhiza only 3%, whereas 97% is endomycorrhiza only. Whereas one Betty, she asked the doubt. What is the doubt? You know, sir, what is the difference between vascular plants and non-vascular plants? Non-vascular plants, matlab the plants which don't have xylem and phloem called as non-vascular, and the plants which are having xylem and phloem, they are called as vascular plants. Yes, very good, Sakshi. समझ में आया. Very nice, beta. Now, बच्चों, vascular. Who asked, बेटी? Vascular and non. Yes, Sakshi. Again, Sakshi only asked. Sakshi, अभी समझ में ना? Xylem and phloem है, then vascular plants. Xylem and phloem नहीं है, then non-vascular plants. That's it. And usually ectomycorrhiza में Basidiomycetes fungi can be seen, and endomycorrhiza में Zygomycetes can be seen. Okay, बच्चों? And endomycorrhiza, it is also called as vesicular or orbuscular mycorrhiza because they helps in phosphate nutrition. Okay, बच्चों? Mycorrhiza समझ में आया? You wanted to ask anything? Please tell me, बच्चों. Don't hesitate to ask any question. Sir, it is present around the plant body. It does not. Yes, that is called as ectomycorrhiza. बॉडी का अंदर जाएगा तो एंडोमाइकोराइजा. ओके, ओके. ये बोलने के लिए आप लोग पूरा चुपचाप हो गया. इतना इजी, देखो मैं 2 मिनट में मैंने खत्म किया. इतना इजी है इसलिए मैं आपको दिया वर्क जैसे. चलो, जो हो गया. इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, फोर्स में स्टडीज नहीं आएगा बच्चों. आई नेवर फोर्स यू अप. इफ यू कैन टेल, अदरवाइज आई एम हियर टू टेल. ओके, and syllabus for mega test पता है ना? what is syllabus for mega test? corticals. yesterday also told you. Again you are asking, Sakshi, क्या है? yesterday only I told you, plant का अंदर cells, the the cells which are present inside the plant body, they are called as cortical cells. Plant cells which are present inside, outside sir, okay, inside cells का cortical cells, outside cells को epidermal cells बोलता है, epidermal cells. Outside का cells, but please understand, I'll tell you very easily. Outside cells are called as what? Epidermal cells, and inside cells are called as what? Cortical cells. And exactly center का cells, it is called as what? Vesicular cells. Exact center में vesicular cells, middle का cells cortical cells, outer cells epidermal cells. Now clear है बेटा? I think now it is clear than earlier, because earlier मैं इतना अच्छा से नहीं बोला, अभी अच्छा से बोला मैंने. ओके चलो बच्चों, हाँ वेट, सिलेबस पता है ना आपको? व्हाट इज सिलेबस फॉर नेक्स्ट मेगा टेस्ट? सिलेबस बोल के जाओ बच्चों, सिलेबस बोल के जाओ. Complete biological classification and living world till fungi. Complete biological classification, whole lesson. No. क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑलरेडी बनाया, वायरस इंक्लूड नहीं किया बच्चों, वायरस इंक्लूड नहीं किया. यू वांट मी टू इंक्लूड? चले चेंज द लेसन, चले चेंज कर सकते, 2 मिनट का काम है. नो देखो कैसे ना बोल रहे. चल मैं आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेगा. ओके नेक्स्ट एग्जाम में वायरस इंक्लूड करेगा. ओके बच्चों, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम में करेगा. Okay, with this biological classification chapter done. Okay, होता है. Then send me ना, I will correct it ना बच्चों. आंसर की में yes है, तनिष्क है, it is there. No bargaining. Fungus classification also you have to read. No bargaining. Okay बच्चों, जो भी करेक्शन है, जो भी डाउट्स है, send me, I will do it, no problem. Okay, चलो नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी विल स्टार्ट प्लांट किंगडम. अच्छा मस्त लगेगा आपको, इंटरेस्टिंग भी लगेगा, मस्त चैप्टर है प्लांट किंगडम. ओके वी विल स्टार्ट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके बाय. डीपी पे आई सेंड टुडे, आई सेंड. ओके बच्चों, डीपी पे आई सेंड. ओके